is the Fight Stick 101, and it works for Switch, PC, PS3, and the Neo Geo Mini. But for the Switch, you need the USB-C to USB-A converter. So there's one right here also. So Nintendo Switch is the NS mode. So there should be NS mode. NS mode. X input is PC. So X input's PC. And PS3 is D input. So this is the Fight Stick. It has that. So there's that. And what else? It's easy customizable because it's 4 screws. It's a USB tab. So let's go back. So it's these screws. So this is to prove the Mayflash works. Is right here, the Mayflash Fight Stick 101. We're going to launch a game to test it out. We're going to launch. Here we start clicking the buttons.
Street Fighter Cross Tekken.
There you go. It's working. See how horrible I am.
Cosmic Elevator.
야, 뭐래?
It's all on the line. Fight. What will happen next? Fight!
Ouch.